What I found interesting this evening here on social media was pretty cool. It's known as a Stream Deck. It's about 129 pound. That's about 153 over here in the Republic. And what is so unique about this bleeding awesome little miniature deck, you could switch camera angles like from here to here to here, say about 180 degrees, but it has to be a good kick ass of a camera. So I decided in my head, I said, Jesus Christ, I would love to get one of them. But what I'm trying to do here now is to up my game here. Instead of just having crap in the background to what you see, me removing videos and all that crap, and there are reasons behind that. And the only way to tackle that is by getting a Stream Deck. Like you connect your little board. It's about the size of a desktop speaker for all I can care, whatever the size is. Connected to the back of your PC. Then you have to get probably extra gizmos to connect it up to your laptop, to your mobile phone. Then you have to have a card reader and all that kind of stuff. But the Streamlab or the Stream Deck, Elgato, that's what it's called. Thank you. Elgato is the name of it. And do I recommend it? Feckin' hell yeah. Now, I wrote in moments ago before I got on headset here, and I said, is it recommended with, let's say, like StreamYard.com? Maybe, maybe not. But it is more recommended with Restream.io. And we all know with Restream, it can be a bit of a pain in the tush at times because you have to have some sort of licensing agreement for your intros and your outros, etc. So what I plan to do sometime very soon is to up my game a little bit, to update my vlogs and to make my vlogs as interesting. It's like running to what I saw on YouTube there moments ago before I got here on the microphone. But the Elgato Stream Deck is fucking awesome. It is. It's awesome. And I like the damn software. And I like the way that this dude, now this is about a 30+ minute clip. And the credit goes to him, not to me, but goes to him. Obviously, this dude has got more viewers than any other possible other amateur creator. But take nothing away from him. He knows he's fucking crap. He knows he's fucking shit. He knows it off. Do I recommend the Elgato? Flip yeah. Hell yeah, I do. Oh, flip, yes, I do. Looking at the gizmos from the air horn to beep 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 and all that kind of crap, and but there's one thing I have learned is don't use the effects too much. Don't use the effects as in like the air horn or the funny sound effects like the Darth Vader, if I have that name correctly. I'm not a Star Wars fan, mind you. So don't use the voice effects too much, but use them every couple of minutes, which is highly recommend it because it would improve the production of your broadcast. And I just decided to go along on here on social media to talk to you, the audience, about it. Now, it's recommended that when you're announcing out to your fellow audience, either it's on YouTube or Facebook Live to Twitch to restreams, you name it, have the camera at a certain angle. Like this camera here, the one that I'm using now, the camera that you see is absolutely flipping clear as flipping day. Now the lighting in here is not that great. Well, the lighting is fine, but it is recommended that you have key lights. It's like what you see on your news channels. Like you could have a key light stand on your desk, one here and one there, argument's sakes, instead of having big fancy lights in the background and all that kind of stuff. But what's more recommended is that you use the effects that I have seen on the video. Is you use the effects, possible free effects. Like I used StreamYard, I used Restream. Now I used Restream quite a lot because it just added a lot of effects in the background, and there were some things that you just had to fucking pay for. And that's painful because the package that I'm with on Restream is mainly just basic. You get the free versions 1, 2, 3, and 4 and your graphics. Now Restream has updated some little features here and there. If you noticed, if you go into a pen, now I was unsure to what that can do. Now what this pen can do on Restream is, maybe it's just with people with excuse the manner, with possible poor vision or something like that, heaven forbid. Thankfully I do not have poor vision, mind you, but don't worry, I'm not laughing about that, because I know a few people that have bad vision issues. But Restream has updated a few features. I think they're going to be continuing to update their features in the next, I don't know, possible weeks or months ahead. I do not know. But Restream, Jesus. For those who saw me on Restream.io, you saw me doing these COVID-19 cases. Now, I stepped away from the broadcasting scene because I felt that the audience needed a break. The viewers needed a break. And that point onwards, I was wanting to give the audience a break so they can watch other YouTube channels instead of just me flapping my gums and going out live most of the time. Though I will say this though, I like going live on air, but there goes a time that you have to step aside and say, hey, to yourself, I said, hey, Judge, you need to slam on the brakes a little bit. And just yesterday or the day before, out of nowhere, I just went, to hell with this crap. Just cancel. Just delete the Wednesday and today, which is Thursday, off the list, off of the Restream advertisement banner. So I removed those. So last between yesterday and today, I just wasn't keen on broadcasting. I hadn't been myself in the last few days. I just, as I said there moments ago, minutes ago, that I just wanted to give the audience a break, and I just decided to go on here to talk to you in a pre-recorded message here to tell you about the Elgato Stream Deck, and it was just awesome to. It's just awesome to watch, awesome to use. I this was a thing that I've been wanting to get for some time, and to tell you the truth, I love gadgets. Uh, Argument's sake, I like walkie-talkies, good walkie-talkies, high-quality walkie-talkies. Uh, this right here is, well, unfortunately, it's broken. This is a hard drive. This is a 3.5 USB 2.0 to SATA enclosure to USB 2.0. Now, this was one of the best till this took a fucking drop. And I was using this little hard drive. There's a little switch at the back and your USB port in the back and your 2-point thing for the power to get in. So that was good to use till I think there's a good while ago that she just took a damn fall. And I got this someplace outside of town there some time back. No, here in town, here in the Republic where I'm currently living. And all of my music on this beast at that point, I'm not 100% sure if she's still working or not. But it wouldn't do any harm for me to check out this little dude out and see if she's working or not. Because if she's working, okay, fine. In the next week or two, I'll probably get a new connection for it and a USB slot to go with it. And if this works fine, what that means is that I could save all my, well, I know people may hate this, all my wrestling commentary on that, onto this, instead of just a USB memory stick, because sometimes USB memory sticks can be a bit of an old pain in the tush from time to time. We all very well know that. So that wraps it up. We're over 13 minutes and counting. 13 minutes and 30 seconds. A very good night, everyone, and thank you for watching.